Hello, I'm Andy, and I'm going to read to you a weekly horoscope from the 26th of August to the 1st of September 2018. And this is going to be for you coming from Virgo. Let's start with the 26th of August, Sunday morning, and it's going to become a wonderful morning and afternoon period for you, bringing plenty of support from whoever you are with. And you can make some great contacts. You can meet people from the past who will be happy to see you and supportive for what you're doing and wanting to help you. Your past efforts are also going to be rewarded on this Sunday morning, one way or another. And looking for the romance, go on, because the long-term planets are there, morning and afternoon. Evening, nightfall, some very aggressive planets are there. And of course, they'll make you behave aggressively. They will make your tongue very blunt and sharp. They will make your actions perhaps very aggressively. Maybe you will be provocative. Maybe you will create opposition and confrontation. Well, the way to treat these planets which are aggressive is to take the soft approach. And when you do that, these planets become soft. They behave themselves. Yes, they relax because they don't want to be doing all this aggressiveness. The plan is that. So you counter the plan, take the soft approach. Use words which are soft, a tone of voice which is soft, a body language which is soft. You'll do much, much better in the evening and nightfall and enjoy yourself as well. 27th of August, Monday. Well, it's a very aggressive morning-afternoon period. I suppose you have to be because many deadlines are waiting and many contacts to be followed up with. And if you're in business, many things to do about your business follow-up. So it's a time where plenty of busy things are happening in the morning, afternoon. You will tend to be very pushy and over-determined to get what you want. Others may find you aggressive in your approach. So when they do, or before they even do, tell yourself to take the soft approach again in the morning, afternoon period. Use words which are soft because you will need plenty of support and cooperation from others. So it's the teamwork that you want to build in this morning, afternoon period. If not, you will see that people move away from you, they isolate you because you are being very rough or you are being over-determined and pushy. So take the soft approach and you'll do well in the morning, afternoon. Your evening, nightfall period I don't like. Many ego planets are there, so they'll make you very sensitive to anything that's being said. Very sensitive in the sense that you are overly sensitive and you are very provocative because of your arrogance. And in the evening, nightfall, you can even be a person who others don't want to be with. So you have to again take the soft approach in every way and let others take the lead. Don't want to try and manage all the plans yourself, because what you're trying to do, the plan is that it should go wrong. Just understand that part of it. So you don't want to take charge so that nothing can go wrong, nothing can be blamed. And just have a very good time in the evening, nightfall. You could meet somebody very important, so you want to show your best. Evening, nightfall period, definitely dress well and look good. 28th of August, Tuesday. Well, it's going to be a very touchy morning, afternoon. You can meet somebody very important, and you may have a very important thing to do which will be put under your control, whether in job, whether in business. Well, what you want is support, what you want is cooperation, what you want is teamwork. Last thing you want to show is arrogance. Last thing you want to show is some kind of a hot temper or a fiery nature. So take the soft approach again in the evening, or rather in the morning, afternoon period, and you'll be able to do well enough. You'll be able to impress your bosses or impress the people you do business. Go out for lunch with people, something good to be had, some good news will come about. Evening, nightfall, too much water in the horoscope, which means plans can change, you can be moody, changeable, you can be upset very easily, you can be extremely oversensitive. So well, if you're going to be that, then there's going to be a problem with the people you're going to be with. So just be in the background, just enjoy yourself quietly, don't expect much, and that way you will be good enough to enjoy yourself in the evening, nightfall period. Get ready for many changes of events, plan many changes of plans. You'll find them a bit upsetting. 29th August, Wednesday, is a working day, but too many emotional planets are there. So you're either thinking of what to do for lunch emotionally, what to do after work emotionally. You are being distracted a lot. And this distraction is going to upset you in many, many ways. And this distraction is going to bring you a lot of just bad luck. So tell yourself deadlines cannot be broken. And these distractions might just do that. So tell yourself that you have to plan the morning, afternoon with logic, with facts and figures, no emotional things, nothing to do with your heart, nothing to do with your feelings. That way you'll be able to manage your morning, afternoon. Some bad luck may come about emotional things, but if you have deadlines to keep, it's a working day, you've got to be there. Evening and nightfall period for you coming from Virgo is much, much, much better. You get luckier in the evening nightfall period. You may just find all the solutions coming that you couldn't find morning, afternoon, that they are there waiting to give it to you, all the results and all the good things in the evening and nightfall period. And you will meet some very good, important people in the evening nightfall period, and they'll be very helpful for you as well. Try not to be dominating in the evening nightfall, because one of these planets can make you stubborn as well. But something good awaits you in the evening nightfall, so dress well, go out, and for whatever you're chasing for, you're bound to get it. I like your 30th August Thursday. Very powerful planets. And these powerful planets will give you very powerful context or very powerful responsibilities. So at your place of work, you may get good news about promotion, a bigger area of responsibility, more money. Things are looking upbeat. In business, you may meet very good contacts, and you may even get the contracts you are chasing for. So go all out in the morning, afternoon for whatever you want, and the chances are you'll find and get them very easily. It's very easy because planets are behind you and they're supporting you. Try only not to be dominating, that's all. Evening nightfall also very good. And evening nightfall, you're going to be extremely lucky. There are planets are there that we call unexpected, the planets of unexpectedness. And so they bring good opportunities unexpectedly. You can meet people unexpectedly in the evening nightfall period that you've been wanting to. You can meet people to help you in job, help you in business. And it's all positive that comes unexpectedly. So it's going to be a very exciting evening nightfall period. Planets are pretty fast, so you can't sit back and be lazy. You've got to chase for what you want and you will get it. Very nice ending. 31st August is going to be a 24 hours of good luck for you. It starts very nicely and you get a lot of help and support at your place of work or in business. Again, the planets of unexpectedness are there. And so they bring unexpected opportunities for you. So when you do something in a good way, in a positive way, you will find that the rewards come very quickly. So if you are working, put all your energy in how to do your work well. You are being watched and the good news will come. And if you are in business, tell yourself, I've got to communicate, I've got to be around, I've got to meet people. And you will meet somebody or another who is going to give you very good news in areas of business. I like your evening nightfall even better. Now business planets are also there. So you definitely want to be out in the evening nightfall with the intention of making good business contacts, making contacts with people who can help you get a better job. So a lot of good things are waiting for you as well in the evening nightfall. Go out with the people you love. Get them all to meet the people you work with, the people you do business with. It's all end up very beautifully. And there's the advantage to gain in the evening nightfall, which means the result of going out will give you some advantage. 1st of September, Saturday. Now, I'm not so happy with the morning, afternoon for you because too many planets of ego are there and they make you egoistic. They make you very awkward in the sense that you get very fussy about things, very quick to criticize. Don't want to do that. You see, the plan is that if you take charge, all things will go wrong. So you don't want to take charge. Let somebody else take charge. Let them make the plans. You don't want to make the plans. You want to be in part of the group. You want to sit back and enjoy and let others do the planning. Let them do all the hard work. That way you'll have a very nice morning and afternoon period. If you take charge, you will find that many will turn against you because they don't like your planning, they don't like what you're planning. Evening nightfall for you coming from Virgo is very good. You want to be out because you're going to meet people who are going to help you in any area of your life. Very powerful group of planets are there in the evening nightfall. And you will see that evening nightfall itself, if it's for business, you make the contacts. If it's for job, you'll get the good news somehow, even to get a better job. And if it is for romance, you'll find it. And if it is your marriage and family area, they'll all be very happy. It's also the planet of expansion there. So you'll get good news of how to expand your responsibilities as well. I like your evening nightfall very much, only don't be arrogant. No, I'm sorry, don't be dominating. That's more like it. Alright, so your Saturday was like this. The ending is very beautiful. Well, I'm already Skyping and I'm charging USD 50 to give you your news about your next 7 or 8 years and how to improve it age by age, calendar year by calendar year, and all that will be based on your date of birth, your time of birth, looking at your palms, and I'll also face read you while I Skype or while I WhatsApp with you or Facebook Messenger. And when I see things on your face, I will talk about the moles or the way your face is. And of course, I'll talk about what success lies that I can see from your face as well. So it'll be a good 90-minute session, and I'll give you your lucky lottery numbers based on your all this information, date of birth, time of birth, looking at your palms. And you can compare these personal lucky numbers, which will be for the rest of your life. You can compare them every month when I'm giving them in my general programs. I'll give you your lucky directions, your lucky colors, your lucky days, a lot of good news. And I'll go age by age, calendar year by calendar year, in all areas of your life. And so go to Facebook, go to Skype, and send me an email, and I'll come back to you as soon as possible to get this 90 minutes going so that your next 7 or 8 years can really be coming under your control. Well, until then, thank you and goodbye.